Oh, sweetheart. What are you doing? Oh, you've been killing doves. Oh, Jesus. You didn't waste any. Eh? You didn't waste any. Oh, poor little thing. Oh, my God, you got two of them. You got two of them. You're a killer, aren't you? What are you, Brahminy kite? No. Brown-shouldered kite. Whistling kite. Some sort of kite. If I had a string, I'd fly you. Just kidding. You got to go out that end, sweetheart. I opened it up for you. Where do you go? If I pull that up with the big stick. Get out the door, quick. Out the door. He's finished eating. Look at the thing.